In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove your password on your Windows 10 PC. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So today guys, I'm going to show you the only way you can remove your password when you sign in from your PC. So the first thing you will want to do once you are on your desktop is come over to your start button in the bottom left hand corner. Click on the start button and then click on the settings tab here. And then once you have clicked on settings, what you will need to do from here is simply come over here and select accounts. When you select accounts, you'll be presented with this page here, and from here what you will need to do is select sign in with a local account instead. Once you click on that, you will need to click on next from here. Click on next and then you will need to enter in your Windows security pin. And then once you have entered in your Windows security pin, this is what page you'll be on, so you can enter in your username here, so it can be whatever you like. So for example, I've just put mine as 2-minute tutorials, and then what you need to do is you simply need to leave new password, confirm password. So once you have left these two fields blank and then put in a password in if you want one, you will simply need to click on next. And then once you click on next, what you do from there is you click on sign out and finish, and that's how you can remove your password from your Windows 10 PC.